Hello lovelies, welcome to the Full Stack Guy. In last video, we had a collab with DevSec Guy on how to send email from Spring Boot application using Spring 3 and Java 17. So we just had a little fun along with code. We were building an application for our client. We were sharing a little code of it. So thanks for watching and supporting for that video. Here I am with a new video on how to implement Java8 features. Okay, so we will be implementing different APIs which were introduced in Java8 and above. There are many APIs which are introduced in collectors API in Java 11, Java 13, and so on. So we will be seeing this also. Yeah, so let's get started, guys. Okay, so I have made some code for you all to save our time. So this code will okay, in this video, what we are doing is we are looking for grouping by, which is in collectors API. So we'll be looking at grouping by and filter. How can we use and how? So this series of videos will be coming with how can we use Java 8 features in our real applications. Okay, on complex JSON, on complex list. Okay, so how can we make our code good? How can we make our code to look good and so on. Okay. So here I have some code which is uh, already done. So I have a record which is a fruit where this has two properties, name and size. Okay. This record which is data, it's returning me a list of fruits we have. So we're going to be iterating or we are going to streaming these fruits. Okay. So in this fruits, what we are going to do is we are going to get rid of all these null values and empty values and we are going to collect an object using collectors framework of grouping by clause. Okay, it's not a clause, sorry for that, but grouping by is an API which was introduced in Java 8. Okay, so this list of roots has two properties, name and size. So what we are going to do is we are going to see how many size of what apples are present in this list. So if I show you, we have apple, we have size small. Okay, so I have one small apple in this. I have one small mango, one large mango. So we are seeing what name of fruit of what size and it's counting. So how much fruits of what size or how many fruits of what size are present in this list. This is little a basic video. Will be coming on grouping by advanced video in future. We will take a complex JSON and we'll try to take some use cases. We will have something like department inside that employees, list of employees, inside list of employees we'll be having address and all those things. So I have some data which is already prepared. This is the data set. This is a little big data set which we have, but we'll not be going through this now. We'll be focusing on this thing, fruits data or small data. Okay, so let's start. What we have to do is we have to stream on this. So I'll do data dot fruits dot streams. Hmm? Now first thing I want to filter this empty and null, this null and empty. Okay, first thing. So what I'll do, root dot name should be not equal to null. Okay, same for root dot size. Root dot size should be not equal to null. Okay, again one more filter for if it is empty or not. fruits dot name dot is empty or is blank, you can take anything. Okay, it should be not empty, and same for size. Okay, now we have, now if we collect this, uh, we will be getting list which will be having all valid data. Okay, so this is dot to collect dot to list. So in Java 16 we have introduced directly the to list method, which we can use over here, so no need of that code there. Dot out dot print fruits. Hmm? This is simple filter. Okay, now if I output this, now if I output this, I'll get the data apple small and things. We are just removing the corrupted data, null and empty data, if you see. Okay, fine, good. Now what we want is, we will remove this. Don't want this. uh, we will also remove this. We will also remove this. Okay, now we want to see how many number of what size of fruits are present. So I'll use collectors dot grouping by. In this grouping by, I'll pass my I'll pass method reference. Okay, I'll pass name. Now, okay, why it is lagging? I'll pass this method reference. Okay, now if I collect this, so I'll be getting fruits which will be grouped by their name. Okay, apple and the object of fruit. Okay, so now if I introduce introduce this to local variable, and if I show you, so name and list of fruits will be getting, right? System.out.println collect. Okay, run. So name of fruit and the list of fruit. Name of fruit and the list of fruit. Okay, nothing special, nothing fancy in this. Now, okay, I just wanted to show uh, how this works. So now what we have to do, we have to see the counting of the sizes of the fruits. Okay, now here I'll pass a downstreaming collector again by the property of size. Okay, and for this I will pass a collector of counting. And if I introduce this to fruits count, and now if I show the output, this is something very good. Yeah, so we have apple, which is one. We have one small apple, yes. We have one small mango, yes. We have one large mango as well, yes. We have one small orange, yes, and one large orange. So this is how we can use downstreaming collectors. We can use grouping by inside or grouping by and counting, and so on. Like we can use multiple collectors within collectors in Java. So this is a very good feature given in Java 8 for functional programming. And yes, guys, so that's all for this video. I'll be coming with more videos on how can we use Java 8 features with some complex data. So you will get more understanding on where the Java 8 features fits. We will also be using partitioning by, flat mapping by, and so on. So yeah, guys. So thanks, guys, for watching. Support for the channel. It's very new on YouTube, trying to teach on multiple things related to Java, React.js, Python, DevOps, and so on. So this channel will have each and everything in simpler format, which everyone can understand. Okay, so thanks, guys. Thanks for watching and take care. Bye bye. One thing, yeah, please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you all had a fun. This was not more funny video because we don't have a DevSec guy, but we will bring some collaborations for the application which we have developed. Okay, in that what are the whatever the main features we have. So yeah, thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.